told you about the sweet Korean pancakes, but they have really delicious scallion pancakes as well. Same process, press it down, make sure there's a little bit of oil, and let it go for 2 minutes, flip it, another minute, and it's done. When you have about that color on both sides, you're good to go. Oh shit, I'm gonna burn myself. Alright, so I made my wife's all cut up nicely, and I was too lazy to do it for me, so... It's not going as planned.